Hey, it's Michael Cruz, and let me ask you, are you looking for marketing tools for your online business? If this is the case, in this video, I'm going to share with you my top best marketing tools for your online business. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Okay, here we go, and welcome by the way. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. That way you get notified every time I upload a video. I post anything that has to do with entrepreneurship, making money online, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, lead generation, sending traffic to a website, or anything that you can think of that creates success on the internet. That's the type of videos that I post. And if you're interested in any of those topics, make sure you hit subscribe, and let's go ahead and get to it. So my number one, or my first tool for marketing for your online business is going to be a blog, right? That's my number one. As you can see, I have a blog here. It's called succeedwithmichael.com, and this blog right here has allowed me to really pretty much create a relationship with my visitors on the internet. So people that are looking to, let's say, build a profitable business, they actually get to my blog, and they they go through it and they find my recommended resources. And a blog is going to help you pretty much build a relationship with your with your visitor, as I mentioned. And it's going to help you share your the benefits that your products or services provide. And again, this is going to be a good way for for you to brand your online business. It's a perfect tool for building relationship. It's actually, a blog is way better than a website, because a website is very static, and you cannot, there's not much updates you can do to it except for how it looks. But with a blog, you can always add content to it, unlimited content, and that content can be found on search engines like Google, or any type of search engines where people are searching for solutions that your blog is offering. Okay, so you want to have this in hand, because again, it's going to help you build a relationship with visitors, and it's going to help your branding on your online business. So that's my number one. Now, when you have a website or a blog, you're going to need a hosting company. My recommended hosting company is HostGator, and they have different hosting services in there. Like right here, if you're starting out, they have a hosting service that is a shared hosting. And shared hosting meaning is that your website is going to be hosted in one server, but it's going to be shared. The space is going to be shared with other people that are hosting their websites. That can actually cause sometimes issues, because let's say somebody has a website that's getting a lot of visitors, and then let's say it's all going to the same server, and if the servers get the server gets overloaded, it's going to cause your website either to have interruptions, or it's going to slow it down. So what I actually have currently, I actually use HostGator myself to host my WordPress website. And what I use something called cloud hosting, which if you scroll down, you scroll all the way down, you can see they have cloud hosting right here, and that's what I use. So with cloud hosting, let me share with you the plans though for the web hosting. This is for if you're starting out. You can see you can get a blog for like $275 a month. For the for the hatchling plan, you can get $350 a month for the for the baby plan. Then you can get a business plan if you're serious and you treat you're actually treating your business like a business. Then you want to get your hands on this right here. You can have unlimited websites. You can actually get one-click WordPress install. That's what I have. You get you get a free domain included with the service, and it's $570.25 a month, so it's really affordable. And you can have a website, so you can build relationship with visitors, and people can find you on the internet. So that's going to be like your home. I personally use my blog for a lot of things, including for automating my business. I also use it as a landing page creator, and that will be my tool number two. But let me show you very quick. So when you scroll down, this is what I use. It's a service called cloud hosting. And if you go to cloud hosting, and I like cloud hosting better to host my website, because what happens is that my website in the cloud is actually being hosted by several servers, not just one. So if one server, let's say, goes down or slows down, then it compensates with the other server. So my website is not being hosted in one spot. and it's not being shared with, in one spot with a lot of people. It's actually being shared in the cloud, so it's being shared by multiple or hosted by multiple servers. So what that does is that helps the speed of my website. It doesn't cause any type of interruption, so my website is not going to go down at certain hours that there's high traffic, and I can send as much traffic as I want, or visitors can go to my website, and it's not going to crash the server because my website is being handled by multiple servers. Okay, so just as the web hosting part, this one has, which isn't a single server by the way, the cloud hosting has the similar plans like Hatchling, Baby Plan, Business Plan. Again, I have a business plan here because I do run a business online as well. So I use this to run our local business. I'm also a hairstylist as well, along with my wife. We work together, and it's so cool that you can learn these things and use it to really succeed online. So this is how people find our hair, our hair shop online as well, by using the same service. So you can create unlimited, you can have unlimited domains. You can create unlimited WordPress blogs with with any of these plans for whatever reason you need them for, right? So it's going to be a little higher, but still it stays on the affordable range. The more you can pay, the most you're going to pay is $9.95 a month, and that comes with a lot, like way faster loadable websites. You can scale it more than the actual server. Again, if your website is being hosted in one server and is being shared with hundreds of other people, then if everybody's sending a lot of, if they're getting a lot of visitors, that server can actually either go down or slow down. And again, since it's being shared, it's gonna really cause your website to be unstable. So I recommend the web hosting for people that are just starting out, but if you want to start out right, I recommend the cloud web hosting instead. That way your website uptime is actually uninterrupted, and the loading time is going to be faster, which is going to help you with the rankings on search engines. Okay, because when it loads fast, people can get the information faster. They can actually go through navigate your website a little better, and it's going to be more user friendly that way. All right, so that's my number one. That's the tool number one for for marketing your online business. Is going to be blog, and I recommend HostGator as your hosting company. And I left a link in the description, so you can actually check out that link if you want to go get your blog set up. Their customer service is superb. I had actually been helped by them as well, and they're gonna help you set things up. They have a lot of hands-on stuff too, so you don't have to do it yourself. You can actually have professionals set you up, and you gotta just get a domain name, whatever your .com is gonna be for your business, and just get started. And you can see the prices are there, super affordable. All right, now my marketing tool number 2 for your online business is gonna be a landing page creator. My number one recommended landing page creator is pretty much called Thrive Architect, and I left the link on that too in the description. And what Thrive Architect is a plugin for your WordPress blog. So once you get your blog up and running, you can actually get this Thrive Architect plugin, and then you can upload it onto your blog, and you're going to turn your blog into a landing page creator. So Thrive Architects are highly recommended. Once you get it to your website or upload it to your WordPress, you can actually you can kind of see it here, Product Manager or Thrive Dashboard, and this is actually the different plugins they have. If you go to plugins, Thrive Architect is going to be in there as well. And whenever you create a page, you're gonna see, let me go to pages very quick. So if I want to add a new page very quick, once you get that plugin installed for Thrive Architect, you're gonna see this option here that's gonna say, launch Thrive Architect. So once you name your new page and you save the draft, you click on launch Thrive Architect, and it's gonna give you a template. You can use from like hundreds of templates to choose from. It could be an opt-in page, so you can actually generate leads, or it could be like a landing page where you're gonna just pretty much share your products or show a video whatever the landing page you want it to be, whatever the purpose you want it to be, you can use Thrive Architect to create a landing page. Now, what I use Thrive Architect for is to create sales funnels, meaning that it's a system that helps me convert visitors into, into customers. So somebody's searching for for a solution to a problem. They find my landing page, they click more to learn about more about what I'm offering that will solve their problem, and then I give them an opportunity to purchase the solution. So that way, that's how my business makes sales online, and that's how your business will make sales online. So a landing page creator is important. There are other ones like ClickFunnels. They have other ones out there. But this one right here, if you're on a budget, is going to be friendly. You can actually get Thrive Architect, the plugin, as a one-time payment. Then you don't have to pay monthly, subscriptions. And then again, you turn your blog into a landing page creator, and then you can have, landing pages created unlimited on there, like opt-in forms, things where you can actually offer somebody something in exchange for their information, so that way you can follow up with them, etc. Okay, so that is my marketing tool number 2. Now, marketing tool number 3 that you're gonna need is gonna be an autoresponder. And this is what I love about online marketing, is that it has the tools that you need to automate your business. So if you hear people, and I'm gonna switch here to my number one recommended autoresponder, or one of them actually. It's called Aweber, and this is the one that I personally use. And again, I left the link. I have links in the description for Aweber, so you can access that. Whichever you choose, I have 2 on the description, but whichever you choose is gonna work out. So if you hear people, let's say, making money while they sleep, making money while they work. So as I said, I'm a hairstylist, and my wife and I, we own a hair business. So we have a website for a business, and while I'm working, helping people feel and look good, I get notifications as far as like I have a new lead on a specific product or program that I'm promoting, or business that I'm promoting. I have a new sales notification. So this is happening automatically because people are actually have an autoresponder. So an autoresponder is basically an email marketing software that sends automated emails to to your lead. So let's say somebody finds a page, and let's say, hey, learn how to lose 3 pounds. This is if you're into weight loss and stuff like that. Enter your email to learn more. So they enter the email. As soon as they enter the email, the autoresponder will kick in and send that person like a welcome email, and it's pretty much to follow up. So let's say once they enter the email, then you have an opportunity to download the ebook, or to watch the video or a presentation about products that's gonna make their life better. Then the autoresponder is gonna follow up with them, letting them know to welcome. Here's that video, or here's this ebook you just requested. And it's pretty much so you can have people, because we're online, we have ADD all the time, so you want a way to follow up with people. So that's what the autoresponder is going to do on your behalf. It's going to automate your business, so it's going to follow up with people. Okay, so this is Aweber. You can build a strong connection with your audience with it. You can get email marketing. Aweber also allows you to create landing pages. So you see you need a landing page, so if you just want to kill 2 birds with 1 bullet, you can just get the autoresponder, and you'll be able to create landing pages if you don't want to use a blog, right? But highly recommend a blog too, because it could be your center for things. So with a blog, you can create your own branding. And let's say you're marketing on social media. If any of the social media platforms, let's say, go down, or something happens and social media is not working, at least you have your own blog, your own website, where people can go find you, right? And you can just direct people to go there in case you're not able to log into your favorite social media platform. Okay, at least you have your own personal home. So Aweber is an autoresponder I recommend. So again, an autoresponder is an email marketing software that's going to help you automate your business. Okay, that's Aweber. Again, I left a link below in the description. The second autoresponder I recommend is GetResponse. And GetResponse, I have used them before as well. I like Aweber. I don't have a preference, but I guess Aweber is good too, and GetResponse as well. So what Aweber or GetResponse is, they're both pretty much both the same thing. So it helps you create powerful, simplified, you know, it's like a tool to send emails, create pages, and automate your marketing. That's pretty much what I just spoke about. If you want to automate your business, meaning that you have a system in place that's going to turn visitors going to go on the landing page. Once they enter their email on the landing page, then if they don't, the autoresponder will send them an email automatically, right, on your behalf. You're gonna have all these preset emails, and the cool thing about an autoresponder is that you don't have to come up with like the best email. Like, you just be yourself. You can actually have pre-done emails done for you too from other people that you can model after and just modify a little bit, personalize it a little bit, because you want to put a little bit of your personality into your marketing. That way, that's going to separate you from anybody else that's doing marketing on the internet, right? So this is really cool tool right here. So GetResponse is one of them. I left a link to GetResponse. So whichever you pick, they're highly affordable. So just check them out. And that's my tool number 3. So another tool I recommend is pretty much social media, right? Depending what platform you pick, you want to pick 1 or 2 platforms. Maybe you want to pick YouTube. One of my favorite for me is YouTube personally, because YouTube is a search engine. So when people are searching for a solution to the problem, then they can find my videos and it's evergreen. Like, they can find videos that I made years ago on a topic, and and get the solution, and also they can actually purchase or get started in my team if they want to in any of the videos. So that's the beauty about YouTube, is that content that you created years ago can be found anytime, right? It doesn't matter. It could be 5 years from now, 7 years from now, that video will still get visitors. That's what I like. Also use the blog, because the blog allows me to get those same visitors for search engines like Google or all the search engines that are out there, and do the same. It has the same effect. On social media, you can post things, but you have to be posting constantly. Once you stop posting for a little while, that content is not gonna it's not gonna regenerate back up unless you use like hashtags on some platforms. But I like YouTube personally because it allows me to communicate to a broader audience, and people can find me from years and years to come as well. So that's beautiful. That's what I like about it. And that'll be all. Those are my top online marketing tools for your online business. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video and this training, and if by any chance you need help starting a profitable online business, or you need more help in marketing your existing one, check out my #1 recommendation in the description. Is that first link, and we'll see you on the inside. Other than that, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.